Okay, so this should just take a few minutes, but let's go through the rest of graphing these first four that are on the front page. So if the negative's in front of the square root function, basically this one's going to reflect it over the x-axis as well. So you would, instead of starting at the origin and going right one, up one, right and down, just like before, and then over 4, down 2, over 9, down 3. And then you get your over x reflection, looks like that. This one is the first one that we've seen that is a reflection over y. Okay, the negative is on the x, so that's going to reflect it over the y-axis. So we're going to start at the origin, and then we're going to go left 1, up 1, left 4, up 2, left 9, up 3. So this is what square root looks like when it's reflected over the y-axis. It's super important that you remember when you do these translations and reflections that you have to do them in this order. You have to go left and right first, then reflect, then move vertically up and down. Okay, so when we do this, notice right here that keeping that negative inside, or keeping that -6 inside parentheses, preserves you moving right and left first. So in this case, we're going to go right 6, we're going to reflect over x, and then we're going to move up 2. And that's the order that you have to do it in. First, second, third. Okay, so I'm going to go right 6. I'm going to reflect it over the x-axis, so now it's going to go down, and then it's going to move up 2. So it's going to look like this. That's going to be my main point, the vertex. And then it's going to follow that pattern. Over 1, down 1, over 1, down 3 more, and same thing on the other side. So there's that one. This one right here, we see that it goes left 2, then it's going to reflect over x, and then it's going to move up 3. I'm going to go left 2, and then now it's facing down. Okay, so from here it would look kind of like this before we move it up 3. So now from there I'm going to go up my 3 spaces, and then I'm going to apply my pattern. So like I said, please make at least 5 solid points and don't just sketch a craptastic graph. So there's that one. On this one, we're going to go right 1, over x, and then up 3. Okay, so move it right 1. Now if it moves over x, sometimes it's good to kind of give yourself a visual. Like if it goes over x, it's going to look like that, and then it's going to move up 3. So let's switch colors. And if I move this up 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, sorry, 2. And then there's that point. Over 1, down 1, over 3, down 1, over 5, down 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this red one is the one that we want to pay attention to. Okay, so that one was just to kind of help guide me. As far as this one, so you already have the graph, so you have to look at it and figure out what's happened. So it's moved, you want right and left first, so it's gone, oops, how about left? Try that again. So this one has gone left 1, it's reflected over x, and it's gone up 4. So I'm going to build that, my negative in the front to make it go over the x, my x plus 1, and then my plus 4 on the outside. Oh, clearly missing a graph here, so I don't really know what the heck's going on with that one. On this one, number 6, it has me going left 4, it's over x, and it's moved up 2. So if I go with my parent function, I have my negative on the outside, it's moving left 4, so that's going to be a plus 4 squared, and then a plus 2. Okay, hopefully that helps. I have no idea what number 5 is. So I just wanted you guys to be able to like have an idea of how to graph those with reflections in them. Hope that helps.